10 YouTube settings that keep your channel small. And having launched now 7 channels and gone through the motions with 2 being monetized, the rest of them I started recently, I realized playing around with settings, what settings are ideal that result in more views and more discoverability, meaning more people subscribing because more people are seeing your content, versus what videos result in less views or have limitations. And I live in my analytics. I go there at least once per day, and I don't just look at views or definitely not at revenue. I look at the driving factors, the things that I can improve to drive my channel to another level. So I've made a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 12. So let's go through them very quickly. So the first thing on my list is in your settings. So when you land on your channel, to get to your analytics, all you need to do is to click on your logo here, and from the menu, I'm going to select YouTube Studio. And I'm going to click a video and use that as an example. So let's pick a video that I know had some of the right things going for it. Let's pick this video here. And I'm going to use this to demo all the settings that you need to make sure you have them correct. Now, the first setting is yes or no to it's made for kids. This one here. Yes, it's made for kids. Let me tell you the difference. So when you click on yes, it's made for kids, the first thing that YouTube is going to do, it's going to promote your video mostly to a certain age group. So immediately you are not giving free reign to who can see your content. So it's going to limit views and limit growth. That's the first thing. The second thing it does is comments are usually disabled for kids' content. And disabling comments on a video is either suspect because you don't want people to share their opinion, or secondly, you lose the engagement. And the way the YouTube algorithm works is the more interaction, the more likes, the more comments, even dislikes, negative, positive comments, it doesn't matter. It's called an impression. Whenever people interact with your content, it's an impression, and the more impressions or the more interactions, the more YouTube promotes your content. So you want to turn on or enable comments, and usually when you select yes, it's made for kids, comments are automatically disabled. The third reason is kids' channel pay less. Think about advertisers on YouTube. They're looking for content and they're looking for an audience with people who are willing to spend money. That's how they make money. So let's say, for example, I sell this water bottle and I want to advertise it on YouTube. I'm going to look for people who are probably looking for content about either making money or they're looking to spend, or they're adults, so they have money to spend. Adults aren't watching kids' content. So the type of ads that show up on kids' videos differ from an educational channel, as an example. And because of that, you're going to get a lower CPM and RPM, which is what you, in essence, get per 1,000 views from your videos. CPM is what YouTube gets, and then YouTube gives you about 55% of that, which is your RPM, which is what you make per 1,000 views. So that's another reason why you should never click yes, it's made for kids. Always do no, it's not made for kids, unless it's a kids channel. Then you definitely want to do it because you'll be able to maximize your audience. Now, the second setting that I recommend you change, you need to customize your channel. There's no questions about it. And in doing so, you can enable a feature channel. Let me show you how to do that. So if you go to my channel here as an example, You know how here you're gonna see a featured video, which it kind of brings people in, and those who are not yet subscribed will see something different. Then you see a For You section, then you see popular videos, then you see my regular videos, then you see playlists, then you see past live streams, then you see shorts, and then you see a recommendation here for my second channel, which is the one you're watching, by the way. Now, this is not coincidental, what you're seeing on screen. I had to set it up, and the way I set this up was by customizing my channel. So you can go here when you get onto your YouTube channel where it says customize your channel, and then these are settings that I believe will drive an audience. I want when my channel pops up, they're seeing a video that will give them an example, for want of a better word, or a sample of what they can get or what they can expect from my channel. And you should do the same. So here I'd go to customization. Now, you notice it has nothing set up. So you're going to click on layout, and it gives you a space to put your channel trailer, which is the video that pops up when people land on your channel. So you're just going to hit add, and you're going to pick a video from your channel to show as the trailer. So I'm going to pick one randomly just to show you how it works. And always remember to publish. You can make all the changes and then publish, but sometimes we forget to publish, and then we wonder why it's not showing up. Featured video. This video won't be shown again at the top of your page for subscribers who have watched it. So this is kind of for new subscribers, and you again pick a video, and make sure you pick videos that showcase what people can come to expect from your channel, because it's an opportunity for you to market your channel, believe it or not. Now here, the featured section, you can add a section. So if you wanted to add popular videos, you can do that, and it will add your videos based on the number of views. If you wanted to add a featured channel as an example, and then show your other channel. So we're gonna call this my other channel, and we're gonna search for the channel here. Because what you want is when persons go to one of your channels, like in my case where I have multiple, they're able to see in my bio that I have other channels that they can, subscribe to. So I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna click done, and it's gonna show up in my bio or in my layout on this channel, and people can easily click it and get to my main channel. I recommend you always put, like I do in my case, For You is automatic, so leave that, because what it's doing is the algorithm is recommending videos based on the particular viewer that they think is ideal for them. So I leave that. I don't want my shorts to show up here because I don't do a lot of shorts. So I'll probably move it down the list. So I'm going to remove it from there. I'm going to show popular videos first. So let me remove videos. So it's For You, then it's popular videos, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add a section down here. Let's say you want to show your past live streams. You notice it was added just now. If you have live streams, it would show up there. And if you wanted to show things like, playlists, which I do on my channel, and you can, if you have playlists, you can show it. And this is what it looks like. Let me go back to my main channel now, and you'll see what it looks like. So when I go to my channel page, here's the video that brings people in. Then there's the For You, which is recommending based on the person who is watching. Popular videos, playlists, your past live streams, and then shorts at the bottom, and my other channel as I showed you earlier. Activating those settings means that you're setting up your page for success by advertising and showcasing what you have to offer. You should also make sure you brand your channel. And again, you go to customization. When you go to your channel settings here, you go to YouTube Studio, you click on customization, click on branding, and you can put your photo right here where it says picture, and you can update it later if you don't like the original one. You can create a banner using Canva, or ChatGPT. And if you want me to show you how to use AI to create beautiful banners, just write AI in the comments and I'll do so. Then you want to have, you notice when you're watching videos on my channel, especially if you're watching them on a TV or on a tablet, it has my little logo in the corner. It's good for channel branding as well. But the good thing is when someone clicks on that logo, they can actually subscribe. So that's another setting that I recommend. Now, the next setting is definitely so important, is you need to tell people what your niche is. Let's go back to content here. And let's go back to, let's pick another video. Let's pick the same video that we're working on. Now, education niches get more money. It's been proven, right? So my channel is personal finance. It's teaching people how to make money. It's gonna make more money. So that here is, you scroll down in your YouTube studio after you have clicked on details for a specific video, and here you're gonna choose your niche. And as you can see here under category, it will give you different options. It will give you education, entertainment, how to. If you're not creating educational content, don't click on educational. But a lot of you are creating educational content, but you have not selected education. Make sure you do it. One, it will promote your content to people who want to learn. Two, it will pay you more because, like I said, when people are able to learn from your videos as opposed to entertainment, you'll be able to earn more. But if you click on education and YouTube figures out through the algorithm that it's not going to help you. So don't try to deceive the process. So that's the next one. Another one which is critical is right here in academic system. Now, depending on where your channel is set up in terms of country, it's going to automatically pick a country here. So for me, whenever I upload a new video and I click on details, Jamaica is always at the academic system. This means that my content, as you can see here from the note, it says choose an academic system to further specify the academic level and exam course level or standards for your YouTube video audience. You don't want to do that. You want your video to be shown to everyone. So I make it a point of duty to go in every video and I click none. I want persons who are educated at the primary school level or the entry level, as well as persons who are educated at the postgraduate level, to be able to get my content. And by clicking none, it does that. This is a critical setting. Now, let's come back to our list here. Not using end screens is next. Oh my God, end screens are so important. If you want to turn one of your viewers into into a binge watcher, enable end screens. All you have to do is where it says end screens here. So whenever you're uploading a video, again, you go into YouTube Studio and you're going to see the list of your videos when you click on content, right? So let me show you how to do that. So you go to YouTube Studio let me show you how to do that. So let's go back to our channel. Let's go to YouTube Studio here. And you're going to click on content and you're going to see your videos. So again, let's pick this video and then you're going to click on details. And in the details to the right here, you're going to see end screen. End screen. Do you know how when you're watching my videos and at the end you see photos or thumbnails pop up of videos that I want you to watch, and if you click on it, it takes you to that video, or you see that little round thing pop up, which means that you can click it to subscribe? That's what your end screen does. To turn it on, just click on end screen. It's going to show you the ending of your video, and right now I have 2 end screen videos selected. If we were, you know what, let me find a video where I don't want to mess up my videos that are already posted. So let's switch to a channel where I don't really do end screens, like this channel here. And I only don't do it because I don't have enough videos yet. I'll start enabling it in short order. But let's say I go to this video, which is, let's say we go to this video here, and I click on end screen. You notice it's blank. So all I'm gonna do, you can choose this one, which is a video and telling people to subscribe, which if they click on it, it gets there, or you can do it manually. So if you click on that, the end screen comes up and you can go here and it's gonna choose automatically for you, but you can choose most recent video, which is that's what you want people to watch, best for viewer, or whatever video you want to choose. So like here, I've chosen a video, but if I wanted to choose a different video, I could just go there and update it and select save, and that's the video that's gonna pop up in the end. But let me show you how to do it manually. To do it manually, you can go back here and you can delete the end screen, and you can just add elements. Click on video, because that's what we wanna show. We're gonna show it over here. You can also adjust where you're gonna show it by dragging this up or changing the time of the end screen. Let's drag it to be in line with here. And let's choose the video, or you know what, let's go with best for viewer, because I already showed you how to choose a video. You save it, so now at the end of this video, if it were to be played, let me show you what I mean. Let's skip this ad here and let me take you to the end of the video. Skip that ad and let's go to the end of the video. If we were to go to the end like that, the end screen should pop up there. Let's see if it pops up. Let's get it to be forwarded a little bit. Popping up. There it is. You see our end screen? And now someone can click on this and watch those videos. You can also enable in that same menu, you can turn on your subscribe. So all you have to do is click on end screen, click on elements and choose subscribe, and it will pop up that little icon, and when people click on that, they can subscribe just in the event they forget. Now, I'm gonna stop here because I realize just sharing those 6 or so with you is 20 minutes already. I have a meeting coming up. So I'm gonna do another video that I'm gonna share some more at a later date. But if you find value in this video, please go ahead and write down in the comments part 2, so I know I'm to do part 2 and not waste my time, because in part 2 I talk about things like your playlist, the language setting, mid-roll ads, which are critical to drive viewership. Later, take care of yourself, rock stars. Walk good.